On the occasion of the 75th Independence Day, Google Developer Student Club of Heritage Institute of Technology presents India's contribution to the world of science and technology. From explorations in space, nuclear and defense technology to inventions that have improved everyday life, let's take a look at a few milestones in India's scientific and technological progress in 4 decades. Modern India has had a strong focus on science and technology, realizing that it is a key element for economic growth. India is among the topmost countries in the world in the field of scientific research, positioned as one of the top 5 nations in the field for space exploration. The country has regularly undertaken space missions, including missions to the moon and the famed Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. India is aggressively working towards establishing itself as a leader in industrialization and technological development. Significant developments in the nuclear energy sector are likely as India looks to expand its nuclear capacity. Moreover, nanotechnology is expected to transform India's pharmaceutical industry. The agriculture sector is also likely to undergo a major revamp, with the government investing heavily for a technology-driven green revolution. Indian IT firms have delivery centers across the world and are well diversified across verticals such as BFSI, telecom and retail. India is the top exporter of IT products, has the 3rd largest pharma sector and a fast-growing contract research segment. In the words of Albert Einstein, we owe a lot to the ancient Indians, teaching us how to count, without which most modern scientific discoveries would have been impossible. One of the oldest civilizations in the world, the Indian civilization has a strong tradition of science and technology. Ancient India was a land of sages and seers, as well as a land of scholars and scientists. Research has shown that from making the best steel in the world to teaching the world to count, India was actively contributing to the field of science and technology centuries long before modern laboratories were set up. Many theories and techniques discovered by the ancient Indians have created and strengthened the fundamentals of modern science and technology. While some of these groundbreaking contributions have been acknowledged, some are still unknown to most. Around 1500 BC, Shalva Sutra was written. It proposed the principles of measurements. Length was measured with ropes. Aryabhatta mentioned in his Ganitapada, Tribhujasya Phala Sariram Samadala Koti Bhujardha Samavarga. A great mathematician was born during 450 BC and 585 BC. His name was Varahamihir. He used to state that there were some attractive forces in the stars of the universe. Due to the sum total of such forces, the Vasundhara or the earth was able to float. This was just a step before the most talked about gravitational forces. Written by Sushruta in 6th century BC, Sushruta Samhita is considered to be one of the most comprehensive textbooks on ancient surgery. The text mentions various illnesses, plants, preparations and cures along with complex techniques of plastic surgery. The Sushruta Samhita's most well-known contribution to plastic surgery is the reconstruction of the nose, known also as rhinoplasty. The first cataract surgery is said to have been performed by the ancient Indian physician Sushruta way back in 6th century BCE. To remove the cataract from the eyes, he used a curved needle or Javamukhi Salaka to loosen the lens and push the cataract out of the field of vision. Our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, aimed to convert India's economy into that of a modern state and to fit her into the nuclear age and do it quickly. On 18th August 1951, the Indian Institute of Technology at Kharagpur in West Bengal was founded. Aimed to develop advanced military technology, Defense Research and Development Organization was formed in 1958. Yellow revolution in oilseeds, white revolution in milk production, blue revolution in fish production, and golden revolution in horticulture bear ample testimony to the contribution of our agricultural scientists. Light Combat Aircraft or LCA is India's answer to the F-16s. Understanding the pressing need to be self-reliant in defense, it was developed indigenously by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. HAS Tejas is an advanced, lightweight, supersonic multi-role fighter aircraft. The Indian National Satellite or INSAT system is a shining example of what all has been achieved by India's space technology. The INSAT series is the largest domestic communication system in the Asia-Pacific region. Param is the series of supercomputers developed by the Center for Development of Advanced Computing or CDAC. The development of the same was taken up as a challenge to break the hegemony of the Western world when it came to super-fast computing. India accounts for about 10% of expenditure on research and development in Asia, and the number of scientific publications grew by 45% over the past years. This is a picture of India's first nuclear reactor, Apsara, and a plutonium processing facility. We all know about Aryabhatta, the greatest Indian mathematician who gifted the modern world with a lot of precious things like the concept of zero itself. The satellite instructional television experiment began on August 1, 1975. For the first time, 2,400 black and white community TV sets came alive in as many villages clustered in 6 states across the country. This was long before urban India, including the metros, experienced television. The project undertaken by ISRO was designed and implemented in collaboration with NASA. The first test tube baby in India and the second one in the world was born in Calcutta on October 3, 1978. At that time, Dr. Subhash Mukhopadhyay claimed that Durga was conceived via in vitro fertilization. Sare Jahan Se Acha is how Rakesh Sharma, the first Indian space traveler, described how India looked from space. The squadron leader and test pilot with the Indian Air Force spent almost 8 days in space, during which time he carried out scientific and technical studies, mostly in the fields of biomedicine and remote sensing. The joint ISRO-Soviet Intercosmos space program had reached a new high with this manned space mission. The Agni missile was not India's first ballistic missile. That distinction belonged to the Prithvi short-range ballistic missile first tested in 1988. But over the years, the Agni, now the name for a family of missiles of various ranges, has come to be the mainstay of India's strategic arsenal, capable of carrying nuclear warheads to targets over 5,000 kilometers away. The missile was first test-fired on May 22, 1989. Supercomputers are an essential step towards modern weapon systems. For example, the calculations required to construct an intercontinental ballistic missile cannot be performed on an ordinary computer. It would take far too long. In 1988, for the purposes of developing self-sufficiency in such matters, India established CDAC with Dr. Vijay Bhatkar as director. With a deadline of 3 years and a budget of around Rs 30 crore, Param 8000 was born in 1991. India had stunned and somewhat alarmed the world community with a series of 5 nuclear weapon tests. The weapons were of 3 different kinds: 1 fusion or thermonuclear weapon, 2 fission devices, and 2 sub-kiloton devices, which indicated the flexibility and range of India's nuclear arsenal slowly built up over the years. Pokhran 2 was the first Indian test of a nuclear weapon since 1974. India's space program came of age in 2008 with the first unmanned space mission, Chandrayaan-1, reaching the moon. It included a lunar orbiter and an impactor and was launched by a modified version of the PSLV on October 22 from the spaceport at Sriharikota. It attained lunar orbit on November 8. The goals of the mission included high-resolution mapping of the Moon in visible, near-infrared, low-energy X-ray and high-energy X-ray spectra, and the preparation of a three-dimensional atlas of regions of scientific interest. On January 5, the GSLV D5 rocket, which launched the GSLV-14 communication satellite, was powered for the first time by an Indian-made liquid-fueled cryogenic engine. It is a rocket engine that uses a cryogenic or supercooled fuel or oxidizer, which are gases liquefied and stored at very low temperatures. These are supercooled, comparatively lighter engines. To foster cutting-edge research, the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory in India, or LIGO India project, is setting up a state-of-the-art gravitational wave observatory in collaboration with the LIGO laboratory in the US, run by Caltech and MIT. The global sourcing market in India continues to grow at a higher pace compared to the IT BPM industry. India is the leading sourcing destination across the world, accounting for approximately 55% market share of the $200 to $250 billion global services sourcing business in 2019-20. The IT industry for 8% of India's GDP in 2020 was accountable. Leading Indian IT firms like Infosys, Wipro, TCS and Tech Mahindra are diversifying their offerings and showcasing leading ideas in blockchain and artificial intelligence to clients using innovation hubs and research and development centers to create differentiated offerings. Some of the major developments in the Indian IT and ITES sector are: in May 2021, Infosys entered a partnership with Majesco, a New Jersey-based cloud insurance software solutions provider, to enable insurance companies to aid in digital adoption and transformation across the insurance value chain. In May 2021, IBM collaborated with 11 top-tier academic institutions. In May 2021, Tata Consultancy Services joined forces with Viavis Solutions, a network test, measurement and assurance solutions company, to launch new test solutions that address the industry's need for comprehensive testing of next-generation disaggregated 5G radio access network products. India's pharmaceutical sector will touch $45 billion by 2020, according to a major study by global management and consulting firm McKinsey & Company. The reason for this optimism are well-founded. In the period 2002 to 2012, the country's healthcare sector grew 3 times in size, touching $70 billion from $23 billion. India's pharmaceutical market experienced a similar boom, reaching $18 billion in 2011 from $6 billion in 2005. The report further states that the Indian pharmaceutical market will be the 6th largest in the world by 2020. India currently exports drug intermediates, active pharmaceutical ingredients, finished dosage formulations, biopharmaceuticals and clinical services across the globe. In India, the aerospace industry is growing significantly with the rising activities from both the defense and civil aviation sector, with increasing demand for large aircraft from Indian carriers such as SpiceJet and Indigo, and focus on powered by our contracts. Many of India's aerospace services and manufacturing activities are expected to be carried out. Similarly, as India's defense capital expenditure spending is continuously growing, there are also many opportunities in defense aerospace. This offers opportunities for startups as well as further expansion for existing players. The Indian aerospace and defense A&D market is projected to reach $70 billion by 2030, driven by the burgeoning demand for advanced infrastructure and government trust. In 1979, Abdus Salam shared a Nobel Prize with Steven Weinberg for his work on electroweak unification. one of the important puzzles of modern theoretical physics. Sir C.V. Raman received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. By 11, he had finished school and went on to earn fame for his work in the field of molecular physics. He won the Nobel Prize for Physics for his Raman effect in 1930. In 1968, Dr. Hargobind Khorana got the Nobel Prize for Medicine and Physiology. Khorana was responsible for producing the first man-made gene in a lab. Dr. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1983 for his studies on the physical processes important to the structure and evolution of stars. To summarize, Indian scientists have contributed astonishingly in the growth of India. They have augmented the status of India with their scientific achievements, and many of the Indian scientists have also received some prestigious international awards as well. The discoveries of the Indian scientists have been appreciated all over the world. After independence, India has accomplished several great scientific achievements. Indian scientists have shown their courage at global level and have made India one of the scientific and technological centers of the world. Thank you.